Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Hey, what's going on, man? Can I see the back? Nice. How you doing, man?
Doing good. Tommy 6.
Okay.
I got a single 18, Ascendant Audio, SMD version 1. On a base 15K. Currently, right now, the passenger door metal is ripped, so it's only doing a 53.9.
Okay.
But once we fix the door, it should be a little bit better.
That's still pretty good. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, we're trying to get it to peak at 30 instead of 35, but just little work here, little work there.
Yeah. You got a good bit of braces on the roof to stop some of the movement.
Yeah, so I had a problem with the windshield buckling, and it would crack it down the center, and it would pop out of the corners.
Oh, wow.
So having the two in the back here, and then having the front triangulated kind of helped keep it from wobbling. Yeah. And it kind of controlled it a little bit better.
So this is a car with a trunk system, and you cut out the whole trunk area to fit this box.
Yeah.
How big is your box?
10 cubes, 3.97 to the port, and then 6 to the sub after displacements. Okay. Altogether, it's about 12 and a half cubes.
And what do you said you like to play lows, it sounds like. What you tune to?
We play between 22 all the way up to 60 in this.
Okay. Oh, nice. All right. And this is one of the 100 SMD Ascendant Audio subs. Okay.
Yep. That's number 84. Nice. And on the SMDs, a lot of them had KEF rods going through the motors. Mm-hmm. This one actually does not.
Okay.
Which is not normal for them.
Yeah.
What do you want to hear? You want to hear lows? Like
play something that's near your peak frequency that you know is fairly loud.
All right, cool.
Pretty good score, man, for single sub.
A lot of people say that it's good. I feel like it's got a lot more in it.
Oh yeah.
So
I like how you ratchet strapped your back doors.
It's so I didn't have to have somebody hold it.
Yeah, that works, man.
And the top still flex like crazy. So
yeah.
Probably in the next couple months, I'm just gonna sheet metal them and weld them shut.
There you go. How much power are you clamping to that thing? Wow.
Right now, with impedance rise and box rise, we're getting 7,800 out of it.
7,800? Wow. That's on your burp when you get near your peak?
Yep.
Man. Have you done any kind of clamp numbers on music with that 15K, like frequency range wise?
Clamping wise, at music, it's between 5 and 6.
5 and 6, got it. So you still have a good bit of rise depending on the frequency?
Yeah, we're rising to 1.8.
1.8, got it, okay. Wow. I like it, man. I know you said work in progress. What vehicle is this, by the way?
95 Civic.
95 Civic, okay. Nice. I noticed you opened this door when you demo. Is it louder with that one open instead of closed?
So, if I demo and I have both windows down, I like to demo with this door open.
Yeah.
Especially with that being ripped, because that one's splitting behind the wood. It's split all the way up the seam. That's why we got all the tape there.
Got it. Yeah, yeah.
It's ripped on both sides.
Got it. Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Tommy system. This is the subwoofer actually from Google Images, the SMD the really old school, popular double magnet style subwoofer, the 18-inch, rated at 5,000 watts RMS. Really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. Insane amount of fab work he's done to pretty much reinforce his whole car. You can see just bracings everywhere. That means you know that he's done a lot of work to get as loud as he has. When you're breaking a mid 50 dB range on music and burp, it's insane. And this is probably the loudest sub I've ever seen for a single sub in a car. 15,000 watt RMS amplifier on this thing. And I didn't see if he was at half ohm or 1 ohm, but I'm pretty sure he's getting all the juice out of that amplifier either way. And having that port right there behind the driver, putting all the pressure onto the passenger, it meters a little bit better and it's a little louder on me. And I definitely got to say, this is the first time I've ever heard the SMD sub. I think they only ever made and manufactured 100 of them, so it's a rare thing to find. So be sure to hit that like button and comment what you like about his system. Once again, that's how the visual looks, rated at 5,000 watts, conservatively rated. And he's putting a total of 15,000 watts. Of course, he's clamping around 8 to 9K on a burp, like he was talking about on this sub. So we're getting to the demo now. Welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for daily car audio videos, and enjoy this impressive demo. All right. Yeah, you got it a little warm there, man. How much power are you clamping to that thing? Wow.
Right now, with impedance rise and box rise, we're getting 7,800 out of it.
7,800? Wow, that's on your burp when you get near your peak?
Yep.
Man, I like it, man. I know you said work in progress. Really beefy, man. Nice to meet you. What was your name again?
Tommy.
Tommy. All right, Tommy. Thanks for the demo, man.
All right, brother. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.